Most of us think of the stomach as the center of all digestion. But the truth is, there's another organ that plays an even more important role, the pancreas. The pancreas not only helps us digest food, but also regulates blood sugar, a dual task. That is essential for life. But have you ever wondered if we're treating this silent hero well? Especially after the age of 50, taking care of the pancreas becomes more important than ever. In today's video, we'll discover a secret: your diet can actually save your pancreas from wear and tear. We'll learn the best foods to protect and nourish this organ, and expose some of the enemies that are silently harming it. If you're ready to start your health journey, join me. 7 superfoods for a healthy pancreas. Now, let's get to the fun part. The foods that are your pancreas bodyguards. Food number 1. Broccoli. Let's start with a familiar vegetable that has extraordinary powers. Broccoli is more than just a dish. It's like a protective shield for the pancreas. Broccoli contains apigenin, a compound that acts like a balm, supporting the health and resilience of this vital organ. Simply put, it creates a protective layer around the delicate cells of the pancreas. What's more, broccoli is a powerful anti-inflammatory, helping to soothe and prevent damage caused by aging. Researchers are even looking into its potential anti-cancer properties. To reap these benefits, aim to include about 500 grams of broccoli in your meals each week. You can steam it, stir-fry it, or make it into a soup. Food number 2. Pumpkin. Next, let's talk about a food that brings the warm colors of autumn: pumpkin. Pumpkin is not only beautiful to look at, but also a loyal friend of the pancreas. It helps protect pancreatic cells from harmful substances. One of its most amazing uses is the ability to normalize pancreatic ducts, supporting the smooth flow of pancreatic juice. This is extremely important for the digestive system. In addition, pumpkin is also a natural stabilizer of blood sugar, helping the pancreas not to work too hard. To enjoy these benefits, you can eat up to 150 grams per day or 1 kilogram per week. Food number 3. Walnuts. In the world of nuts, walnuts are known as kings. These brain-shaped treasures are a boon to the pancreas. They help reduce inflammation and promote the repair of damaged tissue. They're particularly effective at regulating carbohydrate metabolism, ensuring stable blood sugar levels. But remember, moderation is key. A small serving of 20 to 30 grams 3 times a week is enough to work their magic. Too much can feel heavy. Sprinkle them on salads or eat them as a smart snack. Food number 4. Zucchini. Modest yet mighty, zucchini is another unsung hero. This veggie takes the load off your pancreas. It doesn't cause a spike in blood sugar, making it an incredibly gentle choice for your digestive system. Zucchini helps promote efficient detoxification, giving your pancreas more of a break. Aim for a few servings a week, but keep your servings under 500 grams a day for best results. Food number 5. Natural yogurt. We're not talking about the sugary yogurts in the supermarket. We're talking about natural, unsweetened yogurts that are packed with live probiotics. These beneficial bacteria, probiotics, aid digestion, boost enzyme production, and reduce stress on the pancreas. After age 50, when calcium needs increase, yogurt is also a great source. Try enjoying about 200 grams of live yogurt a day to take care of your gut and pancreas. Food number 6. Blueberries. Small but mighty, these berries are a real gift to the pancreas. They support the production of glucagon, a hormone that reduces stress on the pancreas. They also help prevent pancreatic stones and improve cholesterol levels. For those who are trying to control their blood sugar, blueberries are especially beneficial. A 100-gram serving per day is enough to get you started on their power. Food number 7. Lentils. Last on the list are lentils. They are an excellent source of plant-based protein and soluble fiber, are easy to digest, and are extremely beneficial for the pancreas. They help regulate blood sugar, improve cholesterol profile, and cleanse blood vessels. Try incorporating them into your diet 3 times a week in a 200-gram portion through soups, stews, or salads. Are you impressed? Let me know in the comments which foods you'll try adding to your diet. Pancreas saboteurs to avoid. Now that we know what to eat, we need to talk about an equally important aspect: what to avoid. Identifying and limiting them is just as important as adding these superfoods. Number 1. Alcohol. This is the number 1 enemy of the pancreas. Alcohol is not only bad, it is one of the leading causes of pancreatitis. Every time you drink alcohol, your pancreas has to work overtime to process the toxins, which can lead to irreversible damage over time. If you're serious about your pancreas health, cut out the alcohol. Number 2. Fatty and fried foods. Imagine your pancreas being overloaded when it has to deal with a greasy meal. Foods high in saturated fat. Put a huge burden on the pancreas. Likewise, fried foods are hard to digest and can cause bloating, pain, and inflammation. Instead, opt for healthier cooking methods like baking, steaming, or boiling. Number 3. Fast carbohydrates, sugars, and refined starches. White bread, sweets, soft drinks. They create a roller coaster ride for your blood sugar. This forces the pancreas to work overtime to produce insulin, which can lead to insulin resistance and other serious health problems over time. Prioritize whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Number 4. Caffeine and stimulants. For many people, coffee is indispensable. However, caffeine stimulates the production of stomach acid, which can aggravate symptoms in people with sensitive pancreases. The same is true for strong tea and chocolate. Consider switching to herbal teas or reducing your intake. Number 5. Processed and canned foods. Convenience often comes at a cost. Canned soups, processed snacks, are often loaded with salt, sugar, and hidden preservatives. These additives force the pancreas to work harder. Always prioritize fresh, whole foods whenever possible. Avoiding these foods doesn't mean your diet has to become boring. On the contrary, this is an opportunity for you to explore new, delicious, and healthier options. Bottom line, taking care of your pancreas is one of the smartest things you can do for your long-term health. By choosing your foods wisely, adding what's good and avoiding what's bad, you're creating the foundation for a healthy digestive system, an energetic body, and a better quality of life. Remember, the small changes you make today can make a huge impact tomorrow. Always listen to your body and consult your doctor to come up with a plan that's right for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on other valuable health knowledge. Thanks for joining us. Take care of yourself and your pancreas. See you in the next video.